Hello and Assalamu alaikum. This is Asim and I hope you're having a very nice time. Today I'm going to show you that how we can make pancakes near this beautiful lake. So let's go and do it. To make the batter of pancakes, the ingredients are very simple. You just need 1 to 2 deciliter of main purpose flour, baking powder, mix it well, add 1 egg, and some milk. Now mix it. Now you want this kind of consistency of the batter. It shouldn't be so thick or in the running form. Put some butter. Just put over batter. Fry pan. You need this kind of color, like little brownish. So our pancakes are ready. For the taste, you can add some mixed fruit jam on the side. You can add some cream. And some honey on the top. Your pancakes are ready to eat. Gonna put some cream and some jam. That is amazing. These pancakes topped with honey, with some cream and some jam. So that's it from my side. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have any question or any suggestion, you can always write it in the comment box. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Until my next video, it's Allah Hafiz and goodbye.